How could the S&P 500 hit 8,000 by the end of next year? It would have to go up by 20%.
Yes.
Is that insurmountable? Is that impossible?
No, it's not impossible.
In fact, since
happened the
1928, the S&P has gone up by at least 20%, 34 times.
And in 23 and 24, I believe.
That's a third of the time.
So you're saying,
a third of the time.
So you're saying there's a chance?
If you were to roll a dice and get a 1 or a 2, that's about the likelihood that you would see this happen next year. So if we're going to talk about random chance, then that's where we are. What a preposterous question to even ask.
Yeah, let's explain why it is so preposterous, because making market projections for next year, this will happen, and we'll cover more of these on the show, I'm sure, in the next month, because every analyst out there at the major financial institutions is going to be asked to do it, Goldman Sachs, Morgan, Merrill, etc. And it is just the biggest fool's errand out there. It's just so difficult to project. I mean, you can analyze some of the economic threats and reposition portfolios, but just picking a number.
Does the AI bubble pop or not?
No one knows.
If no, then you very likely could get to 8,000. Can we just leave it there? Like, what just a silly question to even pose. 8,000 on the S&P 500 is less than 20% away from where we are right now. That is not an insurmountable task. It would not be crazy for that to happen. It would be potentially surprising because we are going on 3 years of absolutely breakneck pace of S&P 500 gains, but crazy, impossible? No, absolutely not. And as I just mentioned, for the last 100 or so years, in about a third of the cases, the market's gone up by more than 20%. So this wouldn't be crazy. I don't think it's particularly likely, but it's not crazy at all. And I don't see any value by any bank that, by the way, all the banks go out and do this.